Now you know how to create a YouTube banner. And the next thing you want to learn in this video is how to create a YouTube thumbnail, not just an ordinary YouTube thumbnail, but an eye-catching, clickable YouTube thumbnail that will attract viewers to your videos. So if this is what you'd love to watch, consider watching this video to the end. And if you're yet to see the video where I posted how to create a YouTube banner, I'm going to drop it in the description box for you to go and watch that before you continue watching this particular one on how to create your YouTube thumbnail. So there are different things you want to note when creating your YouTube thumbnail, which you're going to be learning in this video. So let us dive into it. Hi guys, welcome to Alice Diaries, where faith, fun, and formation unite. First thing you want to notice that a lot of beginners uploading videos on YouTube, some of them they don't know that they have to create their YouTube thumbnails before they upload their videos. But the good thing about YouTube is that whether you create a YouTube thumbnail, it will automatically generate a thumbnail for your video from your video, and it's used to automatically create three, okay, but it will be only one that will be showing for the viewers, except you go and choose from the other two that is remaining. But yeah, YouTube will automatically create three thumbnails for you from your videos, and one will be visible to the audience, okay. But there's other option for you to apply your own thumbnail that you have created, which this video is going to be teaching you how to create that. But another thing you want to note is that while you are creating your videos, okay, in your video there are some parts of the video. That's why YouTube automatically creates thumbnails for you from your video, because there are some part of the video that you'll be talking, you'll be doing, signaling and everything that can actually be eye-catching when you use it as a thumbnail. So it will just generate that one as the thumbnail. So there are some app when you are editing your video, you can, if you are editing your video, you notice that kind of part, you just snapshot it and it will save to your phone, where you go and edit it as your YouTube thumbnail. Then that's one way of getting a thumbnail, a picture for your thumbnail that you want to design. Another way is that after you're done creating it, the way I do most of the time is you now start posting. So a lot of content creators can relate to this. Yeah, after you're done creating your videos, then you start posting for the picture you're going to use as your thumbnail. And note that if you're taking your thumbnail picture, it is in landscape mode, not portrait mode, except you want to use a portrait mode where you remove the background and place it in a different background and do some editing to it. So but you're definitely going to be learning how to create that in this video. So these are the things to note. And also it has its size, I think 16:9 size for the YouTube thumbnail. And then there are also some colors you use that are really eye-catching for thumbnails. You're going to be learning all that once I start showing you how to create the YouTube thumbnail. And also the text that, there are some text you use that has to align with your facial expression. And there are some apps that you use to optimize your YouTube thumbnail, but that won't be in this video. I'm going to be teaching you how to optimize your YouTube video for you to get a clickable, eye-catching video. But this particular one is teaching you how to create the thumbnails for beginners. So yeah, if this is what you'd love to watch, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, share the video to anyone that's interested in content like this, and leave a beautiful comment down below in the comment section. And if you want me to, teach you how to optimize your YouTube thumbnail to get the eye-catching, clickable one, let me know in the comment section. Say hi, just say hi in the comment section. Hi, I want to know, or anything, but hi should be there. Yes, so I'll know that okay, you're talking about this particular aspect of the video. So let us dive into the apps we'll be using for this. Okay, the three apps we're going to be using for editing the thumbnail is Canva. As always, Canva is very easy for beginners, and then we use auto blur and background remover. So let us dive into how to upload the eye-catching thumbnail. So let us use this as our person for the for the learning of how to create the thumbnails. So guys, this is the picture that we're going to be using for our banner, and this is my gallery. So the first thing you want to do is, instead of editing the video, the picture just like this, you have to edit it here as well. So depending on how your phone is, so this is my own, adjust, then I'll increase the brightness to 30, then the saturation, let's leave it at 20, then highlight, just 10, clarity, let's say 5. I think this looks better, so you save it. That's the arrow mark, and yeah, it is saved. So this is saved already. Then now you need to move on to the next app we're going to be trying. The app is background remover. So I just want to show you guys how the background remover works. So let me head on to the background remover first. So guys, this is the background remover, and I'll just tap on remove background. Then I tap on my picture here, and it will automatically remove the background for me, as you guys can see, right? So you mark it and you save it. So the next app I want to explore is the auto blur. That's to blur the background of that picture. So I go to auto blur app and I edit. So I'll just go over to portrait and then I choose. So this is the one we are doing, to blur the background. You can see it. So you tap on focus to check if it's set. So I think this is better. If you want to make some adjustments, you can make the adjustments like erase. So you drag it to make adjustments like this. If you want to draw, you do the same thing. You want to draw, you do the same thing. Maybe you want to add to this part. You can see erase. So just basically to make sure that it is done. So tap on done, and the blur, you tap on blur to increase it. So you can see it has increased the blurriness of the background. Then the next thing you want to do is to save it best, use the best quality. So now this is saved. So the first one, the background remover, and then this one, the auto blur background. This is the one we're going to be using to edit the thumbnail. Okay, but I just showed you guys the background remover just in case you want to do something like that. So I'm going to show you an example. So first, we want to head on to Canva now. So I'm going to on my data because we need data to access Canva. So guys, this is the app. We're already in Canva. These are the works I've done. When you tap on project, it will show you the works you've done already. So I've already started this. Okay, so let us come to this part. Yeah. So this is what we are working with. But I'm going to have to start from the beginning so that you guys can see it. So now imagine we have something like this. Okay, I think I should just go and start afresh. Let me go and start afresh. Yep. Boom. So if you want to start, you tap on YouTube thumbnail. So YouTube thumbnail, if you want to use a template here, you can decide to use a template. So let's just go with these templates. Should we go with one of them? Okay, let's go with this one. So now you have a template like this, then you want to recreate it. So remember that auto background remover picture. I'm going to replace it with this one. So you see this one I'm dragging, that's the one I'm going to replace it. So all you need to do is tap on it and tap on replace, and it will bring out your pictures you want to have on your phone. So this is the one we removed the background. You tap on it, let us see what it's looking like now. So guys, you can see what this is looking like. This is the so this is the one we remove the background. You can see, so you just make your adjustment, you tap on it to make your adjustment, and you're good to go. Done. So you can see, just make your adjustments. So now, but this is not what we want to work with. Okay, this is not the one we are working with. We want to do the one where we are using the auto blur, the one we blurred the background. So but this is just an example of how to use your background remover picture, your image. Okay, so now done. So I have to delete this one, then I tap on this. So this is the major one, so I have to replace it with that auto background auto blur picture. Yeah, this one. So you can see the background is blurred. So what we want to do next is to go over with our testing. So you can see the moment you tap on it, you can start designing, writing your title, edit your title, the font, the style, the size, the color you want to use, the effect you tap on it anyhow you want to do it. If you want to change the color, just go with the option given. So that's just how it is. So I'm going to do the test. Let me quickly go and check the test I used for the main thumbnail. And I'm going to change it to what I want to use. So you can see I have to drag it for it to be straight like this. Then you rotate it with this arrow. That's how to rotate it. You rotate it for it to fit how you want it to look like. Yeah. So you bring it to this side. You see the background with the text is not together. So you tap on that one. We actually don't need it, so we delete it. Yep. Delete the other ones that we don't need. Delete. So we need this one. We add some thumbnail. So now this is the effect depending on how you want it to look. So we're going with this one. And let's go with this one. Yeah, let's go with this one. Hello. Then you tap on it too. So now I want to add color. Okay, so I added color to it, but I want to add color to the text itself. So you have to make sure that you tap on it. If you don't tap on it, it won't give you what you are looking for, okay? So we'll do the same thing for this one. So this one doesn't need any of that since we are going to be using the background. Let's change the color of the background. Hmm. The background, I want to change the color. Good. So what you need to do is just to make sure you make the adjustments. You have to be gentle and be patient, okay? Be gentle and patient. So this is to balance it inside the we need to balance it inside the what's it called? The background, but we need to reduce the size. You reduce the size, okay? I think this is better. Then make a little adjustment, and I think we are good to go. But we need to adjust the background still. We need to adjust it. Sorry, not rotate. Yeah, you drag it up. You drag it up and reduce the size. Reduce the size. Yep. Reduce the size of the text as well. The thumbnail, we need to reduce the size. Yep. Inside the background. Guys, this is what we have now, but I want to add the YouTube logo. Yes, so what I'll do is I'll tap on this one, copy it, then replace it. And you see I tap on that picture, then to copy and replace it. So I'm going to replace it now with what I want to replace it with. So you guys can see I've replaced it with this. So I want to crop it. So guys, because I don't want this YouTube to show, I only want the logo to show. And to crop it, the other way to crop it, I need to use the pro version. So what I'm going to do now is to improvise since I don't have the pro version. So what I'm going to do is this, copy and paste, right? You can see. So this first one I'll delete. Then I'll bring this one here because I want it to be here. Right? I want it to be here. So this background, I'll bring it to cover this. But before that, let me increase this. hmm So I'll use this to cover it. This is to cover it. Bring this one a bit down. Okay, I think this is better. A bit, because I think the black is still showing. So guys, you can see I've used it to cover that YouTube that is showing. So now we need to bring back our thumbnail on the background. Oh, you can see it cannot be on the background. So we'll do what? Copy and paste this one to delete the initial one, and then bring this one back. You can see it's now on it. So yeah, so best app for YouTube thumbnail, you can see. And I talked about the colors that are really eye-catching for thumbnail. Colors like orange, red, yellow, green, and blue. Yeah, I think those colors are actually really attracting, yeah, for you to use on your thumbnail. So we are good to go like this. Like, this is all set. You can see the background is blur and everything is set like this. This is just easy. The next thing you want to do is to just save it to your phone. Okay, let's use this one that is saving it directly to your phone, and yeah, your thumbnail is ready to be used and uploaded for your video. So now this is already saved to my gallery, and if I'm ready to use it when I upload my video, then I can use it. So if you have any question for me, let me know in the comment section. If there's any video you want me to do, let me know in the comment section as well. And I also want to thank those that took out time to tap on the survey question that I asked of which video you want to come up first. Some said they want the CPM video, which I already uploaded. If you've not seen that, I'll drop it in the description box below. Then this is the next one I said I'm going to be uploading. That's how to edit your thumbnail. So if you want any other video, if you want me to make, just let me know in the comment section so that I'll do it for you. So the next one you're going to be seeing is the explanation for the RPM and other videos coming up. So but then I'll still be waiting for your question that you want to ask me and you want me to make a video for you. Just let me know in the comment section. So I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope this was detailed enough for you, especially for the beginners. Yeah, so please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you like it, and yeah, subscribe to the channel if you are yet to. Share the video to anyone that will be interested in content like this, because a lot of new content creators, they actually need this. They need to know how to navigate the editing app. Okay, especially this Canva can be very tricky. It can be very tricky if you don't have the pro version. The free version, there are limited things you can access. So yeah, share the video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye, stay blessed.